This is looking at the Sivananda 12 basic asana postures from a traditional Hatha lineage. This is posture 8 within the sequence, and within the sequence you work down from the crown of the head through the spine all the way to the feet. So we're already now kind of at the core and at the hip area within the sacrum and the spine and the lower back. And this is Dhanurasana, which is bow pose. Many variations for bow depending on your level within yoga practice. Practice safely, of course. Be aware of any pain and discomfort that you might feel, and always reduce back your tension within the posture. So we're going to come to our prone position. Lying down on our belly, draw the belly in towards the lower back, ground through the pubic bone and the hip bones. Keep the feet hip width apart, so the heels and the knees are pointing up towards the sky. Rest yourself on your chin just lightly, and then just bend into the knees. Draw the heels in towards the buttock and try and lengthen through those hip flexors as you do this, because you get some hamstring stretches here and hip flexor lengthening. So just take hold of the feet, and if that doesn't feel comfortable you can always use a strap or the ankles, and you can choose whether you wish to flex into the feet for further engagement, or if you wish to point the feet up towards the sky. Open through the shoulders as you lift the chest off of the mat. And this could be your first place to stay and breathe. So you keep the knees down, but you're pressing the feet in towards the hands, and you're pressing the shins back behind you. So taking nice deep breaths. Release the shoulders away from the ears, open through the front body, ground yourself through the hip bones and the pubic bone as you lengthen through the hip flexors and the quadriceps. And if you're going to take this posture a little bit deeper and you wish to lift the knees from the mat, again ground through those hips and pubic bone, press the feet into the hands. Hands draw into the feet, press the shins back behind you, lift the front body, and maybe you come into that bow pose, Dhanurasana. And slowly release when you need to down to the mat, and let the legs float down behind you as you come into a prone rest.